Hi, Pooja.
How are
Pranam.
you? Pranam. Very, very good
I,
evening to you.
yes.
I
So,
listened to your morning messages, so thank you for that.
oh, did you read them? Did you hear them?
I heard like the first five, seven, then I said, okay, now they're similar, so I got the point. Thank you for
That is
that.
the reason I stopped sending them.
Yes. So tell me how you've been. How can I help you today? And a little bit about yourself. And I'd love to know. Yes.
I am like a clean slate. I have
Hmm.
actually, you have given, I think, everything.
Oh,
It
so
is
sweet.
just for me to use that and make it the best for my mission.
Lovely, lovely.
that
Yes,
is
absolutely.
that
So
is
tell me a little
everything.
more about your mission.
uh since last 2.5 decades, I am the richest person within, and now my mission is to be the richest in dollars,
Hmm, good.
because I have 7 selfless love missions for humanity, health, and nature.
Mm-hmm.
And for that, we do not accept donations or charities, like
Okay.
because I've been with Mother Teresa's as a volunteer, and I've seen many international and national NGOs and organizations where money becomes more important than the place where the money is supposed to be spent.
So
So
true.
when I started my work in 2002, then the first thing I decided was not to accept donations or charities like that. But
Okay.
if somebody is sharing like a family member
Hmm.
consistently as a responsible family member, then it is fine. But
Hmm.
then it is also, uh, I have to reach out to people
Correct.
to make
Absolutely.
them know about this thing. So we have only one or two people in the whole world who
Mm-hmm.
are like the responsible family members of this selfless love mission.
Okay.
And I am also an internationally awarded filmmaker. I make songs,
Oh,
like
wow.
solo filmmaking and solo song making, which are like positive legacies. And I have like 10 plus books on Amazon and things like that. So
Wow.
when you do clap like this, I feel like a little small little child, and thank you so much for making me like that.
No,
Because
I'm just
everything,
applauding all your achievements. That's so wonderful.
yes,
Fabulous.
yes, because the thing is, we my business which I am doing now, it
Mm-hmm.
is about earning the money
Hmm.
so that that money could be spent in the work, in the selfless work through our NGO or not for profit incorporate, whatever that is,
Right.
so that you know uh, it is more balanced,
Hmm. Nice.
or else we have to depend on money coming, or we have to be very very spending our energies in the people who are giving money
Hmm.
rather
Correct.
in the work. So
Hmm.
because this is the work of Satyogi,
Okay.
that is the main mission, to
Okay.
end
Nice.
the Kaliyug or the
Ah.
darkness from within one, like a few people, and
Hmm.
to fill up the brightness of Satyogi uh, within.
Oh, wow.
And a few people only. Before my death, I want to reach and make at least 1 billion Satyogis in the world.
Oh, nice.
There are 7 billions, so 1 billion would be not so big deal. So that is the thing. And
Lovely.
this is the reason why I'm taking a little bit more time than like your students. They are
Mm-hmm.
already maybe earning. I have also earned a little bit, like
Mm-hmm.
but I've not yet gone fully into the reaching out, because
Mm.
there are so many things uh,
Mm.
which is now all streamlined
Mm.
because of you Siddharth, and so many like Russell Brunsons, and so many like Vic Strizers and all these Peng Joon and all these people.
Right.
What you have done, and not because I'm sitting with you, but you specially, because all other people were giving me what I was looking for, like how to, you know, make the whole, all these things, all these uh, uh, practical, the practical things which I've received or which I've got in these past 25 plus years after my enlightenment. So I wanted to make it into a course kind of thing. I wanted to make it into a proper like 9 section thing, so that even after me, because I'm like 50 now, and after me also those things stays,
Wow.
and it doesn't happen uh, like you said something in the beginning which made me very much attracted to your atma. That was like the best things actually comes from Bharat, and it reaches to the world, and they rehash it, they put it in a proper sequence and a proper presentation and sell
And
it to
tell it back
Indians.
to us.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I wanted to learn that presentation,
Mm.
which is already done through all of you, and especially you. And now even the whole thing has been put it into proper this thing, where to start and where to finish and everything. And I am like in the process. I've made my lead magnets, I've made my whole thing, everything is fully done. I'm
Oh,
little
wow.
late. I'm like, I do not have many
It's never
great
late.
things. Yes, it is never late, because I waited for 25 plus years.
We
Like,
are all tortoise. We will
yes,
all reach our goal at
yes,
the end of our lives, and whenever God wants us to be, wherever
yeah,
He wants us to be.
yeah.
So,
So,
yeah.
so I am like happy that
Nice.
I'm not like, I'm not in the like, I've not yet started my sales in the way my mentors like you would be happy to, for me to to do. But uh, I'm in the process, and very soon I will make you, Siddharth, Peng Russell Brunson, Vic Strizers proud.
Oh,
And
nice, lovely. Don't worry, we are all waiting.
yes,
Every flower blossoms when it's ready.
yes,
So, some flowers which are magnificent take longer. Some very quickly blossom, but then they are nowhere to be seen by the time the other flowers blossom. So, I would love for you to start to own your speed and not be apologetic about it.
no,
You know,
I'm
So, own your speed, whatever the speed is. Just know, because I truly believe that when we do not put deadlines on ourselves, then God allows us to really show our magnificence. I'm not saying don't have any deadlines, but I'm saying go with your own flow. Don't compare to anybody, because everybody has to go on their own journey, and some people are rabbits, but they will retweak everything later. Some people will prepare better and have a better launch. So everybody at some point will be at different chapter. So I'm totally okay with whatever your speed is. When the mission is so much greater than yourself, you can't hurry up the process. You're doing God's work.
yes, and this is the reason why, like, I feel like it is like after all these mentors, what is the icing of the cake, or whatever, the best icing in the whole
Oh,
universe is
so,
you.
so sweet. Thank you so much. That's so kind
And
of.
that is the reason I don't have anything to ask you.
Hmm.
I know
Nothing.
that your good feelings are there with me always.
Anytime. And Korak, I want you to know, is that how you pronounce your name, Korak?
Korak, yeah.
Yeah. anytime you need any help, just message Radhika. We'll either get on a chat or we'll get on the phone. I'm always here now. Your family. Okay. So you should just know that now you're never alone ever again. With a mission
Yes.
as amazing as yours, let's make it happen.
Yes, we have to make it happen,
We
Pooja.
have to make it
We
happen.
have to make it happen.
Yeah.
Because like this, like when I left my military officer's job after being second in All India merit to get the
Wow.
job, like everybody was like against me. But I knew that
Mm.
I am doing something which is the best
Wow.
for humanity, for for whole world, and for my country.
Yes.
And I will be. I know I have your, magnificence with
Mm.
me, and thank you.
Sending it to you.
Thank you so much. And this is the reason why I am not meeting you, because Radhika told me whether you are coming for this meet now in December, because
Ah.
I don't want to meet you now. I want to meet you as soon as I have at least something which you would be proud for me to have. You know,
Rubbish, rubbish.
because
I'm not believing all of this. You come. You
yes,
come, and I'll tell you why. Some of us make this decision that I will reach a destination to start the journey. I want you to take me along on this journey, and not just me. There are so many more friends you have made now who would love to meet you. Can I tell you, when you meet people, magic happens. There's a networking that happens which is so wonderful. You will get so much power and energy from a physical event. So if you're thinking in isolation, you will become successful, and then you will see me. Bad idea, according to me.
yes,
At the end of the day, you do what you want. But if you had to ask me, Korak, I would say just get your tickets and come for the event.
I am
Don't
coming
meet
for the
me then.
event. I am coming for the event.
Why you're not meeting me then? You're
No,
meeting me,
I'm
in the
I'm
event.
coming for the event. I've decided.
Come. Oh, you've just decided. Is
Just
it?
decided after you said that.
Absolutely, you have to.
Yes.
You are such a rock star. I want to meet you. You agree, no, that energetically when you meet someone, there's a transformation that happens that can never happen on Zoom.
Yes.
So I want you to come and experience the magic of that room. And for being the rock star that you are, there are so many people who would love to meet you.
Yes.
In the tribe itself, you know that you've made friends over the 3 months, haven't you?
Yes. Yes.
And they haven't told you, at least come to meet us, forget puja. They didn't tell you. I'm saying you come to meet me, forget them.
Yes. Pooja, I'm coming because
Okay. I'm looking forward to seeing you now.
I have complete faith in the uh, you are
We have to
between
walk
me
hand in
and
hand now.
yes,
We
between
have to
me and the
walk hand in
creator,
hand.
you are there.
Yeah. I
Yes.
don't want you to put any conditions between
No
where
conditions.
we are going to make it conditionless.
No conditions.
Whenever your success will come, divine will decide.
Yes.
But together, let's walk hand in hand because our missions are the same. Now, everyone,
Yes.
or this entire TTT now, people who are aligned will keep staying. People who are not aligned will move on.
Yes.
So I'm not giving you the permission to move on. You don't have that permission.
No. I am coming. I am coming.
Okay.
Within 24 hours, I'll make my tickets and I will come.
So sweet. So sweet. God
Yes.
bless you. Anything else you want to talk about?
Nothing.
Anything else you want
Just s- just give me. I know you have already, but especially from your mouth, give me your good wishes that this mission for which my life is there becomes a successful. I know it will be successful, but I want to hear it from you.
Yeah, of course. And why not? See, Korak, one of the things I want for you is a lot of money. I'll tell you why. Lot of us have good heart. But people who have a good heart must make a lot of money because then only the real difference in the world will happen. Okay. And what I see in you is your purity of your heart. From the day I met you the first time, the first meeting we had where you told me you were 50 years old and you remember my reaction, and you know, that entire conversation that we had where you had told me about your leaving the military, working for Mother Teresa, all of that. From that day till today, I've seen your journey and I know who you are inside. And I want that to work for you. And that's why I want to be the money angel of your life. The good heart you already have, I want to push you towards whatever your strategy is. You know, sometimes in life we make decisions like this, that we won't take money from others, or we don't want my company to become money minded. But you know what? Money is the fuel of all goodness. Even every
Yes.
religion needs money, every NGO needs money. So when our relationship with money becomes slightly twisted, we start to reject money. I want to if I had to change just one thing in you, is I want you to open yourself for money completely so that it can flow through you. And there's so much abundance in the world. And I don't want you to worry about my business or my organization will become money minded. It doesn't matter what you do in your life. Someone in your environment will be like that. You cannot escape them. So if you're thinking by not focusing on money, you will escape them. No, you will underplay your brilliance.
Yes.
Okay, so I say, God, give me a lot of money and let me use it for all the good in the world. What am I going to do with this money? Any which ways. After you finished eating, what more? After you finish buying everything, then what more? And you're such a simple person. I'm saying I'm not even simple. Okay, so you to just have to open up. So I'm your money angel from now. Okay, my
thank you.
job is to pray for you, to make sure that you receive what God wants to send you.
Yes, Pooja. And this is so important because, you know, I have a ashram. I don't want to take more time. I have a ashram where there are women and children who are living like my mothers. But the thing is, because of the money constraint, there are so many elderly women in the streets or like really going through the bad time, but I cannot get them in my home because of the money problem.
Can you reconsider your philosophy
Yes.
around not taking money?
Yes, I have. You don't know, like when you said the money angel, I have been telling people like for the past 25 years that my financial manager is God. And you are, when you say money angel, you are a God sent to tell me this thing.
Yes.
So, like you have said this, like two decisions I've changed in my for my life today. One is I'm coming and meeting you. The second thing
Yes.
is like I am open now to
Yes.
the money thing, the way you said. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being you. Really.
Thank
You're
you
so
for
awesome.
being you for
Okay,
me.
thank you, God. Thank
For
you,
me.
God, for us being us.
Yes, for me and for the whole humanity.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Yes.
Let's make magic happen. The world
Yes.
really needs us. The world is
Yes.
suffering like anything.
It is suffering
and it's on
like
people
anything.
like you and me that have to make that difference.
Yes.
You know, till our mission is not complete, and we have to make it really big and
Yes.
let all the bad people get filtered out of our system automatically.
Yes.
It will happen.
It will happen.
People around us who have negative energy will eventually have no choice but to leave us.
Yes.
You know, so they'll go away themselves. It's not our job to filter. That is God's job. Our job is only to keep doing our work.
I'm so happy. See, I always tell people like last 2.5 decades, I'm the happiest person on earth. You made me more so. You made me more so. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bless you so much. All right, take care, Korak, and anything you know, I'm always here for you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Bye. Take
Bye.
care. And I'm
Bye.
seeing you on the 14th now.
Yes.
So I'm looking forward to
Yes.
that.
We are meeting on 14th. Bye bye.